Hi guys, Attorney Jamila Little here. Today I want to talk to you guys about these potential travel bans that the Trump administration is considering implementing. And so according to a story that came out on the New York Times, the Trump administration is considering implementing these travel bans that will affect at least 43 different countries. As you guys may remember, during the first administration, the first Trump administration, there were travel bans that were implemented. These, it is said to be, would probably be a little bit broader or a lot broader than the initial travel bans implemented during the first Trump administration. So these travel bans are proposed to have three different levels. So a red list, an orange list, and a yellow list. The red list contains about 11 different countries, and it is proposed that there will be a total ban on these countries. And these countries include Afghanistan, Cuba, Iran, and some others. I will include the list of all of the countries that have been included, so all 43 countries. The orange list includes about 10 countries. And these 10 countries will experience restricted travel with mandatory in-person visa interviews. And these include countries such as Russia and Pakistan. And then the yellow list includes 23 countries. These 23 countries will be given 60 days to fix any security concerns. And if they do not fix these concerns, they can face potential restrictions. So there are some concerns, obviously, about these travel bans. There seem to be some countries on here, as you guys will see the list, where we just kind of wonder, why are they on here? Why are they listed? What are the security threats that these countries would actually bring to the United States? And then other countries that seem to be maybe just low-income countries, or, predominantly Muslim countries. And so there are some questions or concerns with regards to these travel bans. Also questions of how they will be implemented. It is unclear as to how these travel bans will affect those who have valid visas. It's also unclear as to how these travel bans will affect those who are green card holders or lawful permanent residents. During the first Trump administration, the initial travel bans did face a lot of legal scrutiny and were eventually upheld by the Supreme Court. I guess they were changed and altered, but there were travel bans that were upheld by the Supreme Court during the first Trump administration. Later on, the Biden administration did repeal these travel bans, but we're expected to see them back in play again, broader and wider scale than we saw before. So definitely keep watching, stay tuned. Like and share this video for anyone who you think it might be helpful to. Definitely follow for more immigration updates and tips. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Let's definitely keep this conversation going as we continue to see some of the things that will be implemented and coming down the pipeline with regards to immigration from this administration. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.